What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Satellite coming through with another quick video for today, man. Today, I'm going to be going to the gun range. So make sure you guys rate, comment if you're new. Hit that subscribe button for your boy. So I made it to the beautiful gun range, man. You feel me? We out here packing that heat, boys. So yay. All the lanes out here. It's a 22 long rifle, but you feel me? That shit. Blah, blah. You let off on them hoes. Clippington Johnson. You want him to go down that far, you feel me? I'm just waking up, man. I ain't been to the range in a minute, so now it's loaded. Smooth little 10 clip for him, you feel me? Lay down your enemies real smooth like. I wasn't really trying to aim at nothing, but let's see what we here for. Something slight, you know, we got a couple body shots in the young fella. Nothing too serious. I say about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shots out of 10. I wasn't really paying attention, but you know, that's what I got for my first couple shots. I'm going for headshots one time. Smooth 10 clipper. See what we here for. Nothing too crazy, man. We got 5 to the head real quick. You feel me? We got a couple more to the chest, upper. So that's what that is. So now we're about to shoot the long range 22 rifle. Usually don't take much trying to shoot this gun. Smoking. That's how we like it. Woo! I love this gun so much. Quick 20 piece. Try to get 10 in the head, 10 in the chest. It's looking like a pretty good group. I'm not sure how far that was, probably like 15, 20 feet maybe, something like that. The head group looked like it came out pretty solid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Somehow I guess I missed one. But yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to the body. Let's get it. This gun really is just to have a lot of fun with pretty much. I mean, I feel like it could come through when it comes to safety and stuff, but you really want to get the 9mm or something bigger than that. NMP 15-22 long rifle. I love this gun. I'm going to finish him off with the 9, man. Beretta thing, baby. Beautiful, man. 9mm Beretta 92FS. I love it. See that smoke? Get out of my house. Bread holding up real nice. Now that was some goddamn shooting, man. This Beretta, reliable as hell. I love it. It just feels so good in my hand. It's a very good choice for safety, for target practice, for almost anything. I really like this gun overall, everything. But when it comes to distance, it can get a little bit tricky, man. You gotta really be on your P's and Q's. Golly, man, that was a whole lot of shooting. Let me clap it up for myself and for you guys, because y'all support me. Woo! As you can see, man, it's a whole lot of headshottery going on. It's a whole lot of body shotty going on. Not too many misses. I got a couple misses, but that was about like 100 rounds I just shot. So anyways, if you guys made it to the end of this video, make sure you guys rate, comment if you're new. Hit that subscribe button for your boy, man. I'm out here doing this type of video only just to show you guys guns are kind of a serious thing, man, and not only mess with them, only for safety. I'm not out here trying to look cool, flex up with them and shit like that. That shit's just not, it's not what it is for me. For me, it's just all about safety. So make sure you guys go shoot a firearm for your safety. And yeah, make sure you guys protect yourself. Appreciate everybody supporting the channel, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Dab on them. This is the food truck right here I'm looking for, man. Lettuce Feast. I guess they got another truck out here, so this shit is all white. Everybody else, they got colorful ass trucks, as you can see. A whole bunch of food trucks, man. Pretty goddamn lit. But yeah, man. Lettuce Feast. Let's see what they here for. It's supposed to be like all vegan, everything or something. It's supposed to be super crazy. So yeah. This shit looking crazy as hell, man. Vegan, supposedly this shit's supposed to be like vegan, something like that. Couldn't get that far with the burger, man. This shit is pretty damn good though, as you can see. Shit look fucking vegan, bruh. I don't know what the fuck this is. It don't even really look vegan though. This shit look regular as fuck. And it tastes like, it almost tastes like something that's vegan. But it's almost like, damn, this shit's not vegan. This shit tastes like a real burger. But I don't know, man. They just executed it so good, it doesn't taste vegan at all. It's like, I don't know, man. Like, I don't even fucking know, man. I'm fucking speechless, as you guys can see. pretty damn fresh, man. Lettuce feast, they did that. These French fries are Cajun. They don't taste like how I thought they were gonna taste. I thought they're gonna be salty as hell just by the look. But they're not even that salty. They're actually pretty damn good too. If I had to rate this meal on a scale from 0 to 10, I'd probably have to give it something like 8.7 out of 10. I don't know what the hell it's missing. It doesn't taste as good as those burgers that are a 10 though. But it tastes pretty damn fucking good. I don't know, bro. I don't know. This shit is something different for sure.